Hi. So here we are doing hand gesture recognition. Based on the hand gesture recognition, we are going to make a sentence. Okay. So here either you can make a sentence like based on the alphabet, or you can assign for any symbol. You can assign for any one particular word. Like this for this symbol, you can give a high. For this symbol, you can give am. This symbol Indian. So if you give these three symbols at a time, you'll get a I am Indian. Like that, it will come. Okay. So or else you can do for all the alphabets. You can one by one. You can make it. Uh, so like here, I. For space, you can give one symbol like a stop symbol like that. You can use for space. I space then A then M again space, then you can give again I N. Like that you can also make a sentence. Either you can go this way or that way. Anyway we can go with that. Okay. So first of all, for this we need to recognize the symbol. To recognize the symbol, we need to do first training. Okay. So I'll just show you how to train that. So this is the final code. So I have trained already 17 symbols I have trained. So this is the features will be stored here. So one means A. This is a label. So this many hand gesture I have stored. So like this 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all labels. Up to 18 samples I have trained. Okay, these are all corresponding 48 features. Okay, what is our 48 features? I'll tell you now. So now if you want to train, you can go with the 19. Automatically down it will be added. Or if you don't want to do this, you just delete all the things from this, then you can start from scratch. So first you can open the Python. First you can open the Python. Just go to file, open, and go to the path. So here main code is there. So here just double click it. So this is a simple code. You can run this code for registering. Instead of enter your name, enter your label. So just run this module. After running this, you'll get a choice here. So for registration, you can just give one label. Already 18 symbol I have trained. So I'll go for 19th one. So 19th one, this one. Just 19 we can make it. Okay. 19 this one. So this is the 19th symbol. You can give it and again you can give escape. It will automatically it will be stored. Okay. So now if you want to train register again, you can register for anything. So now I will go for training. So just I'm pressing 2, it will automatically go for the training. So here I have a training code. So this is the training code, features vector it will take. So that will be train testing split will happen. So then this is a CNN model. Once trained, it will be saved as a trained model CNN. Okay. Now it is training is going on. I given only 2 iteration for demo purpose. You can give 100 or 50. You can give, you will get more accuracy. Time will take more for that training. So here training is completed. Here actually I have given for 10 epoch. For 10 epoch, this is a validation curve. Here, sorry, this is a training accuracy curve for 10 epoch. Epoch means iterations. This is the testing accuracy. So here 30% testing, 70% training we are doing it. So this is the last graph. Last should be nearer to 0. Okay. Validation error and the training error they are calculating. So this is a receiver operating curve ROC. True positive versus false positive rate. So training is completed. As of this 99% accuracy we got it. Okay. So this is for only 2 class I did. So because it is taking more time, it's only 2 class I did. So I already copied here trained model and features for 18 classes. Just copy and replace here. So here this is the trained model. So here also once if you trained, you'll get automatically save model.save trained model CNN. So this is training is done. So now testing you can do it. So can give 3 and test it. So to start that, I have given for this symbol. It started based on the ABCD. I'll give you this. So now you can stop this pressing the escape. Okay. So here these are all recognized word. Okay. So in between while changing it is taken extra character. So keep on, you can make it. So this is text conversion. I'll just show you that. Just run this. So it is started. So now you can stop this. Now it is speaking out. So this is the final words. Here instead of letters we can make as a mini words. So here words can be copied to here. The line number 144. Instead of here we can give any of the word. Up to wizard is there. So any of the word you can give it.